Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add home to your home app on the iPhone. So to do this, you're gonna press the home app like that. Then it should greet you with this information right here, but we're gonna press continue, then press on the home right here, home settings, and add home. And from here we can choose the name for our home. We can change the wallpaper for it from our own photos as well. Then press save. And as you can see, our home is added and we can set up our HomePod mini device. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.